To show a three-dimensional object in Mime, for example, holding a glass, wrap your hands around the actual area the real glass would take up. If your grip is too tight, it will look like you've crushed the glass. Respect the space that makes up the object. For example, if you're holding a Mime lipstick, leave some space between the fingers and thumb to suggest the shape of the lipstick. If the fingers and thumb are touching, the lipstick appears flattened. To begin, pick up your ball and look at it. Look at the shape, color, and texture. Next, wrap your hand around the object, then shut your eyes and concentrate on the feeling of its size, shape, and weight. Do the same with your other hand, with your eyes shut. Then put the object down, open your eyes, and pick up the object in Mime. Hold your hand up to show the round shape of the object, and be aware of your baby finger. At times, it will do its own thing by sticking out and away from the object. When it does, it will look like your Mime object has horns or something growing out of it. So keep all your fingers wrapped around the object. Now throw your Mime ball back and forth from one hand to the other in slow motion. It helps to add sound effects as you throw your Mime ball. For example, make a humming sound while your ball is up in the air. When it lands on your open hand, make a splat-like sound. Then close your hand around your ball and hold it tightly. If you're unable to stand while tossing a Mime ball to someone else, with permission, care partners, caregivers, or other participants can move you around the space in your walker or wheelchair. When catching the Mime ball, lean your body towards the ball with outstretched arms. Once you've caught it, lean your body backwards while tightening your hand over the Mime ball. Do the following steps in slow motion first, then speed it up. You can also change the size and weight of the ball. Throw your Mime ball back and forth to a real or an imaginary partner. In a group situation, participants sit on chairs in a close circle. Each participant takes a turn changing the shape of the ball into something new. For example, a baseball becomes a watermelon, which in turn becomes a heavy weight for weightlifting, and then transforms into an ice cream cone, etc., etc. When changing the object's shape, imagine it is modeling clay. Once the new object is formed, interact with it to demonstrate what it has become. Then pass the object to the next person, who in turn creates a new object by changing its shape and interacting with it. Once everyone has had a chance to show their new Mime object, discuss who mimed which object and ask participants if the reshaped objects were recognizable in Mime. Give feedback on what worked and why, and what participants could do differently to make their Mime objects even more recognizable. For example, it helps to concentrate on keeping your hand frozen when holding an object in Mime. When your hand relaxes, it causes the shape to disappear.